do this arbitrarily na eto lang i-decrease nyo, no? Or eto dapat i-decrease nyo without even any backup on the math behind that and the accounting behind. We calculated the usual calculation, 5 days average of the upon closing of the market, no? 5 days yan average, and we compare that result to the previous week, which we have done all the time ever since. Ang difference ng previous week sa current week, yun po yung price change pagka next week. So sa calculation namin, 20 yung lumabas eh. So it wasn't done like, kung ano na yung gusto namin na amount, no? We're being fair to everyone naman, to all the oil companies, but we are protecting at the same time yung interest ng mga public because we want to make sure that they put that correct price according to the accounting rules that they have adopted.